Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, students of class 6? Hopefully, students, you all will be fine at your homes and safe. Okay, students, as you know that due to the pandemic situation of COVID-19, we have to again move towards the online classes. So, inshallah, we will start our new session with the online class, and we will continue it with the quality education. So first of all, I would like to say welcome to you all to the new class, as you all have succeeded the previous class 5 with the flying colors, and you are moving in the 6th class, in the new class. So I will say welcome to you all. Inshallah, hopefully you will study properly and you will try to learn the new things, and you will get the new knowledge with interest and with with enthusiasm. Okay, students. Okay, students, please look at your book. I think you all have purchased the syllabus and course, and if you didn't purchase it, so you have the time. You can purchase the syllabus. So it is my today's first lecture of the 6th class. So in this lecture, I will only give you the introduction. Okay, so there's no need to worry. You have the time to purchase the syllabus. You have the time to purchase the course and journals, science journals and other journals. Okay, so be comfortable and take the time and please purchase them if you don't have. Okay, but if you have, then please you can see your book, take out your book. It is your science book, Inspiring Science, class 6 test book, and it is from the Cambridge system. Its front page is very colorful, and it represents the chemistry portion. It represents the test tubes. It represents the cells, which belongs to biology portion, and it represents the paradise, and there is a picture of a scientist. Okay, students. From inside, it also has the interesting colorful pictures. Okay, and I think you have studied. It's the book of this series, Inspiring Science, in 5th class. So it's a series from 4th till 8th class, Inspiring Science. So I have given you the brief introduction about the book. Now we will move towards the content of the book, students. Okay, please look at your book. When you will open the book, you will find the contents. Okay, and at the content page, the names of different chapters are written here. There are total 18 chapters in this book. Okay, students, there are total 18 chapters in this book. So from these 18 chapters, I have selected few chapters for you for the midterm syllabus. So now today I will tell you about the names of those chapters which I have kept in the midterm course, in midterm syllabus. You don't need to write anything in the science journal. I will guide you. When you will purchase, all the class will purchase the science journals, then I will guide you how you have to start the journal. Okay, so please don't write anything in the science journal. I will guide you. It is my first lecture, so I only just want to give you the introduction of the syllabus, and discuss a few important things. Okay, students, from this contents, you can tick mark, right? If you have the book, then you can tick mark over the chapters which I have kept in the midterm syllabus. I have kept 6 chapters for you in the midterm syllabus. Okay, how many chapters? There are 6 chapters in the midterm syllabus. 2 from biology section, 2 from chemistry section, and 2 from physics section. Okay, students. Now in the biology section, students, you can tick mark. I have kept the chapter number 1, that is sources of food. Okay, sources of food. Number 2 is components of food. यानी food के बारे में है दोनों chapters, sources of food and components of food. These belong to biology portion. From chemistry portion, I have kept the chapter different kinds of materials. Okay, different kinds of materials. Next chapter is separating substances. Please tick mark them in the book. Different kinds of materials and separating substances. Okay, students. Now after that, in the physics portion, I have kept 2 chapters. The names of the chapters are. The names of the chapter from physics portion are motion and measurement of distances. Motion and measurement of distances. Okay, it is chapter 12 from the book, but it will be our 5th chapter. Okay, and next chapter from physics portion is fun with magnets. It is chapter 14 from the book, but it will be our 6th chapter. In the sequence, it will be our 6th chapter. Okay, students, hopefully you understand it. But again, I repeat the names of the chapter for the midterm syllabus. First chapter is sources of food. Second chapter, components of food. Third chapter third chapter is different kinds of material. Fourth, separating substances. And 5th chapter is motion and measurement of distances. And 6th chapter, number 6th chapter is fun with magnets. Okay, students. So it is all about your syllabus. Okay, students. So these are 6 chapters, 2 from biology section, 2 from chemistry section, and 2 from physics section. So these are 6 chapters in your midterm syllabus. Okay. Now, students. Okay, students, please look at your chapter number 1, that is sources of food, belonging with the biology portion. So it is our chapter number 1, sources of food. By the name, I think you have the guess that in this chapter we will study about the food. Okay, and the sources of food. Sources of food means the sources from which we get the food. Okay, यानी वो कौन सी जगह हैं, कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिससे हम अपनी food gain करते हैं. So those are the sources of food. So in this chapter we will study about them in detail. So this chapter is going to be very interesting and informative for you. Before starting the chapter, I would like to take a overview about this chapter. Okay, students. So in this chapter, we will study about the food and the nutrients of food, and the different types of foods, sources of food. And we will study that what are the various sources of our food, what do other animals eat, okay, means except human being, what do other animals eat, and we will study about the plant parts and animal products as sources of food. We will study about the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores in detail in this chapter. Okay, students. Then after completing the students, inshallah you will be able to understand that how plants and animals drive nutrition. Okay, and you will be able to recognize the sources of food for human beings. ठीक है, तो इससे आपको बहुत नॉलेज मिलेगी. हम ऐसे इसको पढ़ते रहेंगे. आज सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन क्लासेस फर्स्ट चैप्टर की. तो आई थिंक you will enjoy it, students. Okay, now we sum up the lecture of today. In today's lecture, I have given you the introduction of the syllabus, and you don't need to write in the science journals. I will guide you how you have to write in the journals, and for the interest, you can read the first page of this chapter. Okay, students. Okay, now students, one more thing I would like to share with you, to discuss with you, that as you know that inshallah we will celebrate the 14 August. As you know that the school is celebrating the 14 August Independence Day through the online classes. So hopefully you all will participate in the programs of 14 August through online classes, in the speeches, in the national songs, and you will share your knowledge with the other students. Okay, so Pakistan Zindabad, Good luck to all of you for the new class. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.